This is always such an important event for Boston Scientific every year.
Well, the Connected Patient Challenge is brilliant for several reasons. It brings a company with the stature of Boston Scientific into the mix of what's new and innovative.
The hospital today isn't the hospital of 2050.
In the 21st century, we have to be connected to patients and we have to use information from patients to shape future care.
Challenges are always good because they stimulate people to bring their best ideas forward and try to compete a little bit.
It's perspectives from the clinician side, from the patient side, from the technologist side.
Can't wait to see the walkthroughs of these different projects. There are some really interesting ones.
We can track disease progression over time because we're using real-world data from how you use your personal device.
Real-world outcomes are very different from what clinical trials state.
We are addressing the $80 billion pelvic dysfunction market.
We make behavior change fun and easy for patients like me, who's a stage 4 cancer survivor.
Any solutions that digital health can provide that can remove hassles, can ease the burden for the patient that's dealing with an issue is a win.
It's also interesting for us, I think, to provide some of the broader context that we see specifically from a technology standpoint.
The thing that excites me the most is just the vibe that's here. It's just an incredible amount of energy that happens.
The momentum that digital health is gaining is really exciting. I love to look back at the previous winners and see how much they've achieved since then.
You never know what you're going to learn. They come in with ideas and insights that really within the four walls of Boston Scientific, we may never come up with.
Every company that gets up there is getting huge amount of visibility.
Companies like Boston Scientific have an enormous amount of resources. And for a company such as mine, a startup, it's a tremendous opportunity.
And they're always pushing the boundaries in ways a larger company can't do.
We believe that it is really an important time to bring the human experience into health and tech and merge it all together so that we can take control of our health, of our bodies in a really new and exciting and more satisfying way.
So for me, it's an enabler, a catalyst for more.
I see it more like, expand my connection to a community rather than just competitors.
It's definitely a win-win situation. We learn, they learn, and we both move forward.
And the first place winner, the G.
I did win. It was very exciting.
I wanted to thank the Boston Scientific community and Google for setting this up.
The team will be really excited. Get the product out. We need to get it out ASAP.